The Radio Wemo Breakfast.
Get smart. App reviews to win friends and impress people.
Applications for your Nokia phone, your Android phone, perhaps your iPod, your iPhone. There are millions and gazillions of applications out there to choose from. So we're here, that is Tom, Alistair and myself, to figure out some of the good uns for you. Alistair is on the Android.
Yep, got Android here, and today the application I've got is called Custom Car Home, and it's actually more of a launcher than anything. What it basically is when you get into your car, just if you've got a car cradle, put your phone in there and then open Custom Car Home, and then you can have a set of default applications which will have their icons on screen, so that when you're driving around, say if you want to get to the maps easily, instead of having to go through all the menus and pages and things to find them, it's got maps right here on screen. Also got another app here called NZ Road Info, which is on the main screen of this launcher.
So are these apps built inside?
No, so these are all apps that you add from your own library that you've downloaded. Okay. So you can add whatever you want on here. It's just sort of, it encases them all in one handy to access place. Yeah. So I've got another one here, which is NZ Road Info, which has a whole lot of photos of road cameras around the country. So when you're on the motorway, when you've got this open, just open up NZ Road Info straight from the Custom Car Home page, and takes you straight to the application. So there's less fiddling around and not looking at the road while you're driving. Yeah. not that we're encouraging people to be playing with their phone, but if you've got it there and you're not using it.
So you could put any apps inside this app
to launch as soon as you click on it. So
to say, and you're basically saying, I'm now on the road.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
and
what go into this mode.
Yeah, and what it also does, it's got a setting where you say, okay, I've opened up Custom Car Home. Now I'm obviously on the road in the car. Whenever a call comes through, go directly to speakerphone. Oh, cool. So that you don't have to...
So this is slightly similar to an app you did quite a few episodes ago, where it detected where you were, your vicinity perhaps to home, and then it would change the way it operated. It would turn on Wi-Fi. And
potentially. This is more of a... You just open it and it starts straight away. It doesn't detect when you're in the car or anything. Right. Which would be pretty cool. But, it's pretty handy because you've just got everything there. A lot of the newer versions of Android come with a stock version of it. Yeah. But you can't modify it to how you want it yourself. Okay. So, I'd
imagine turning on the music player on it.
Exactly. You can have music players, navigation, your text messages, phone, whatever you want. So it's pretty cool.
It is
Custom
cool.
Car Home, free.
Custom Car Home on the Android. Over on the Nokia today, I have something called Nimbuzz. Now, I won't go through every feature of this, but basically it's kind of like Skype on steroids, where it incorporates not only your Skype contacts, but also Google Talk contacts, Facebook, and I think there's a few others in there. I think Yahoo. I'm not on Yahoo, so I don't use that, but it's a way to either call if your contacts were on Skype or on Google Talk, or even just chat with.
So can you call them through the data connection on your phone? Yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah. So it's a VoIP application, but it's also got all the chat features as well. The surprising thing I found out about it was you can add your Facebook contacts, right? And it's the only application that I've seen that will tell you if your Facebook contacts are online, and therefore you can chat to them. You know how, like, when you open up a Facebook page, as long as you're shown to be online, you can chat with people on there. I haven't seen that anywhere else.
Right.
So this application has been able to port that ability through to the phone, which is quite cool. So perhaps you're texting a friend and they're not ansering, and then you want to be sneaky and go, well, I wonder what they're doing.
Yeah. Oh, they're on Facebook.
Why are they? They're on Facebook. There they are. Right. So now I can pester them on Facebook and hassle them through that.
Like, can people pester you as well? So say you logged into this and you don't want to be contacted, but you might want to Skype someone.
That's interesting. So the fact that I am logged into Nimbuzz means that if someone was browsing their Facebook page, I would show up as green and available
they can send
for
you
chat.
a message as well.
Yeah. So that's quite cool. I don't know of any other application that can do that on the move. You certainly can't do it in the browser on the phone.
Yeah, you've got to be online.
Because it uses, I suppose, Flash and a few other technologies. And of course, your as I say, your Google Talk, which is essentially also your Gmail contacts. So within Gmail, you can do chat features as well. And so basically, those contacts come up. They are your Google Talk contacts just by default. So that's called a Nimbuzz, and that is also free on the Nokia.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Tom, what's going on the iPhone iPod Touch?
I've got one called NZ Post Send a Card. This is a really cool interactive postcard service from NZ Post, and pretty much what it is, it's personalised postcards. So say you're on holiday, and you've just taken this amazing photo of you and your partner, or you and some friends, and you want to send it to a family member back at home, or you want to send it to a friend, say, hey, so what I'm doing, check this out.
Yeah.
You can.
Wow.
Instantly do it. So
does it send it via an email? Does it? Or?
No, what it does, you upload the photo to their server, you fill in all your details.
Yeah.
And then it will send a proper full postcard.
Oh, an actual printed postcard?
Yeah, to their door.
Ah, cool.
Golly gosh.
That's
and it costs $4.99 to send each postcard, but I think you get...
It's personal.
You're getting a personal, customised postcard from wherever you want in the world as well,
yeah.
pretty much where you were.
That is brilliant.
That's pretty cool.
Because I can't remember the last time I sent a postcard at all.
Oh, yeah.
Because I just, I'm on holiday, and I love the thought of it, and I love the thought of a family member or friend getting that postcard in the mailbox and going, oh, wow, this is... But I never do it.
It's quite a cool idea from NZ Post as well, because, I imagine a lot of people sending emails now.
Yeah.
And so this is... giving a personal touch, so you can send a postcard that is...
Well, you can write whatever you want to.
With the photo of me in front of the giant Buddha in Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is,
Chuck that on your mate's fridge and...
And exactly. And so also for the fact that that's New Zealand Post, so I guess would mean, so let's say you are in the UK on holiday, the postcard's not coming from the UK, it's coming from within New Zealand.
So it gets a lot quicker.
Yeah. Almost the next day.
Technology.
And for the price, which is probably cheaper, or if not better than having to post it from the UK or wherever you are, with a foreign postage stamp and the cost of the postcard.
Yeah. Because don't you hate it? Because I remember years ago sending postcards where you would arrive home and the postcard would actually arrive after.
Always send one home to yourself. Yeah.
It's normally quicker to get back to where you're from and then send it in the post, the local post.
So the application's free?
Yeah, the application's free. You can try it out, and then it costs $4.99 Kiwi to send it each postcard.
Yeah, that is cool.
Pretty choice.
And available where?
On the iPod Touch.
On the iPod Touch.
iPhone, iPad.
Through the iTunes store.
Yep.
Brilliant.
Cool.
Very cool. That's another round of free applications available for your smartphones. If you've got some suggestions for us, perhaps you've got an application that you really like on your phone and you want to share it around, then send it through to studio@kiwifm.co.nz and we'll give it a spin. Tom and Alistair, we'll see you next time.
See you, mate.
Cheers.